So let's break down the rules that make our medicine safe. It's a pretty amazing system.
When you take a pill, how do you really know it's safe?
It all starts with one thing, the active pharmaceutical ingredient. You'll hear it called the API. There's this whole complex rulebook for how every single one of those gets made. It's super important. And that rulebook, it's called Good Manufacturing Practice, or just GMP. Think of it as the gold standard. So what's the point of GMP? Simple. It's all about quality and purity every single time. Now here's where it gets interesting. The rules actually get stricter the further along you go. Okay, so quality is definitely everyone's job, but there's a special team that acts as the watchdog. And that team is the quality unit. They have to be totally separate from the production folks. Their job is huge. They get the final say on whether a product gets released or rejected. And in this world, there's a mantra. If you didn't write it down, it never happened. Seriously, that paperwork is the only proof that everything was done right and kept safe. But just having a number isn't enough, right? Data needs context to actually mean anything. Like 23 means nothing. But 23 milligrams? Okay, now we're talking. That's metadata. All this comes together in what's basically the batch's official biography, the batch record. Think of it like a diary. It tells the complete story of one batch, from beginning to end. And checking this record, it's one of the last, most important opportunities to catch any mistakes. A reviewer looks for, everything. Did they follow the rules? Were there any weird events? And becoming a reviewer is no joke. The training is intense, so that absolutely nothing gets missed. So you see, it's this whole system, the rules, the records, the reviews, that keeps patients safe. Safety and quality aren't just accidents. They're designed, documented, and checked at every single step. And all this careful behind-the-scenes work, that's the real foundation of our trust in medicine.